Are you ready to have your springtime celebrations? Well, I'm here to showcase some of the tool items that you need to have those celebrations. Hi, I'm Patty Lynch, independent consultant with Princess House, and I'm here to showcase some of the e-commerce online specials that you can have right now through May 7th. So here we go. The first one I have for you is our 9-quart straining casserole. This one's perfect for your stews, your chilies, anything like that. It is beautiful right now in the East Coast, but we'll have some chilly days. This one is perfect for any size families. It has the straining lid right here and the double spouts on both sides. It is, again, jewelry for your stove. I love the tri-ply collection because it has one layer of stainless steel, another layer of aluminum goes all the way up the sides, and another layer of stainless steel for easy cooking, evenly distributes the cooking. Our lids have the Princess Heritage flower on there, tempered glass. It can go in the oven, including the lids. This one is regularly $249.95. It's on sale for $154. You're saving $95.95. That's our first sale. The next one is our 11-inch straining. It's all about the straining and easy cooking for you this springtime. So this is another one with the straining lid. This is the 11-inch straining casserole. It has the small helping handle on one side and the ladle on the other. Again, in the tri-ply collection. This one is normally $229.95. You're going to save $60.95. It's on special for $169. Perfect, right? All right, who's ready to do some partying this summer? How about our margarita glasses? Don't just use them for margaritas. How about some shrimp cocktails or your desserts or those pudding cups? So many options you can do with our beautiful etched flowers. Our margarita glasses for a set of 4 are normally $74.95. You're going to save $25.95 and you can get them for $49. Again, all right, here we go. We're going to be partying. Our rock glasses. All right, do you remember these way long time ago? These are our rock glasses. Maybe you can see it better this way. A set of 4 of these rock glasses. You can use them for guys like these for their rum and cokes, juice, anything like that. A set of 4 of these are normally $54.95. You're saving $15.95. On sale for $39. Now, this one is one that I use all the time. It's not in the catalog. You want to get it now. I had a party a couple of weeks ago. They were looking for this one because it was a hostess, part of a hostess special. This one, what's the official name? Lid and spoon rest. It's perfect because watch. When you're cooking and you have to take that lid off, it holds the lid. And then, I don't have a spoon or something, you can put the spoon on this side and it holds the spoon or the ladle or whatever on the other side. This is your lid and spoon rest. It is perfect. It all comes apart, the easy cleaning. I love it, absolutely love it. This one's for my kitchen stove. Normally it's $34.95. You're saving $10.95. It's on special for $24.95, right? This is another one from my kitchen. Last 2 are from my kitchen. This one here is our 3-in-1 grater. You've seen me use this multiple times for my cheese and my chocolate and everything else. You just grate away, grate away, grate, grate, grate. It comes with a 6-quart capacity bowl. Inside here, it stores the different size graters. Comes with 3 different sizes. This comes right off for the different size graters. Back here, it has a lever to push down to have the suction right onto the counter, so that way you're not going to lose it when you're grating away. It's so much fun to let some stress out too when you're grating, because you know, if you're grating your own cheese for your pizzas with the kids and stuff like that, you're eating healthier when you get that block of cheese and grate it, because think about all the preservatives and everything when you get that shredded bag of cheese at the market, how long do you think they have to keep that and what they have to put on it to keep it fresher longer? You're grating the cheese, you know that it is fresher. So our 3-in-1 grater, wow, you're saving $69.95. It's on sale for $79, our 3-in-1 grater. And I love it because you stack them all together. Stack it all together. One goes in here, right? And I'm probably not going to put this together right because I'm on camera, right? And it all goes there and right in the cabinet. Easy storage. Our next one is one of our cutleries. I love when our cutlery is on sale because you've always thought, oh, I don't know if I can do this or not. I don't know if I want to, invest in the cutlery. Well, this is the time to invest because you can give it a try. Our cutlery is German steel, fully forged, all made with one blade. This one here is our 5-inch utility knife. It's great for prepping, slicing, all the way to your prep dicing and more. So this one is normally $44.95. You're saving $15.95. It's on special for $29. Guys, it comes with the sleeve, so that way you can keep it safe in the drawer, or you can get a block and put it in. If you have any of those blocks at home that are wooden, and you go and you keep pulling it out like this, if you have the wooden block, I would suggest putting it in this way because every time that you pull that knife out, it's going to dull the knife. So I would suggest putting it in upside down or invest in a block that has it to the side so that way it's not going to dull the knife, okay? That's my suggestion for you. Our last one is our pizza cutter. So this is our pizza cutter. It's your basic pizza cutter. It's very sharp. It does have a plastic sleeve. It's not like a heavy duty sleeve. I want to forewarn you on that, but it's a good one. It's normally $39.95. It's on special for $24. It's your generic pizza cutter, okay? But it is on special. So those are our online e-commerce specials, again, that started today and they end on May 7th. I haven't even posted them yet on my page, but I thought I would pull them out and showcase them for you today. My name again is Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House. You can get them on my page unless this is getting shared out to one of my amazing team members. Feel free to reach out to them directly. My page is princesshouse.com/plynch, and then just look under the open parties and place the order. It will be shipped out immediately to you. Now, how the e-commerce orders do work, as soon as you place the order, it gets shipped out to you. But they're as supplies last. So if you like something, they only put them out. They only tag a certain amount of items that they want to sell. So if you see something, grab it while you can. Because I would hate for you to miss out on something, especially this one, because that's a great one. Not that any of the other ones aren't great too. Now is the perfect time, by the way, to host a party. It's double hostess credit. We have amazing specials going on right now. If you haven't seen them, check them out on my business page or your consultant's business page. And guys, remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself. And have a fantastic, beautiful night. I think the sun's going to get ready shortly to settle. It's a beautiful evening. Get out there, get some fresh air. It is amazing. And again, thank you guys. Talk to you soon.